Watch this video till the end because I'm going to spill the truth of this product that literally no beauty content creator has told you about. I've been seeing so much hype around this new Nivea Luminous Even Glow Oil Control Serum. Like literally every other content creator is promoting this serum like it's a magic potion. I also haven't, so let's do an honest review. First of all, I did not purchase this. This came as a freebie with a product. When I tried it for the first time, the first thing that hit me was the denatured alcohol, which can cause irritated skin, weakened skin barrier, burning sensation, dull, dehydrated skin. I could have easily let it go, but it's in second position in the ingredient list, which means high in percentage. It's a big red flag in the skincare. Yes, it also has salicylic acid and thiamidol along with decent ingredients, and maybe it also works in reducing dark spots. But you can literally use any other dark spot reducing serum. Don't get me wrong, I'm not bashing Nivea. Nivea is a great brand, but I think I'm gonna pass this one.